In this quick video, I will show you how to add custom token to Uniswap step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then click here, choose your wallet. So for example, I'm going to use Coinbase wallet. Click connect, and then choose your network. So for example, I'm going to use Polygon network. Click here and type down wrap BNB. As you can see, there is no wrap BNB in Uniswap. So you can go to coinmarketcap.com. Then on the search bar, type down wrap BNB. Click here and then click here. Copy the address on the Polygon network. Go to Uniswap. Then paste the address here on the search bar. Then click here. Click here. So for example, I'm going to swap 0.010 Matic, and then I will receive this amount of wrap BNB. Click swap, click confirm swap, click here, then click confirm. And once the transaction has been completed, you can go to your Coinbase wallet and check if you have received the wrap BNB. And as you can see, I have received the wrap BNB in my Coinbase wallet. If you have any questions about how to add custom token to Uniswap, leave a comment below.